Hello, my name is Todd Morrison. I've worked with work zone safety for over 25 years at the Kentucky DOT and the University of Kentucky. I am pleased to work with the Florida LTAP in presenting a workshop on work zone safety and traffic control. In this workshop, we will cover what you and your agency can do to have a direct impact on reducing work zone fatalities and injuries. In 2018, 754 people lost their lives in work zones. Florida had 80 of those fatalities. Properly set up work zones are key to bringing this number down. In this workshop, we will discuss how to improve worker and motorist safety through the proper use of traffic control devices during road maintenance and construction activities. We will discuss how to use these specific types of traffic control devices, how to plan, set up, and maintain work zones, how to lead the flagging operation, and how to protect yourself from liability. The class will be a fun combination of lecture, discussion, and hands-on group activities. I look forward to seeing you at the workshop.